So we got our new 35,000 BTU Varpool Fay pool heat pump inverter. This is actually a inverter technology in this. So it'll ramp up and ramp down. That's a heat pump. It turns on and turns off. Heat pump turns on, turns off. This will use about 26 to 2,800 watts at peak. That used about 1,300 watts when it was on. This uses like 8,000, 7 to 8,000 watts when it's on. So we'll be able to run this one. This is for a 10,000 gallon pool, and we have a 9,500 gallon pool. Now, when I took that out, this lined up perfectly. So I had that plumb that way, and I actually had elbows on here as where this just comes straight out of the back. But I didn't have to do anything for the plumbing. All I had to do was loosen this union over here so that I could get it to come up on that end. And it's kind of like low over here, and then you can see it kind of rises up on that one here. So the bottom one's cold, and the top one is the heat that comes out and goes into the pool. So got the plumbing all done on this thing. The pool is running. We run our pool 24 hours a day. So we'll get the electrical cord for this. This is like a 10 AWG, I believe, on here, because it's only 12 amps on this. And it's a 15 amp breaker I need to have on the electrical panel in the house for the solar. So this was a 30 amp breaker, and we're changing that over to a 15. So we'll have that fused right there at 15 amps on each one of the legs, L1 and L2. And then it'll be a 15 amp double pole breaker in the garage in the electrical panel for the off-grid solar, because we're going to run all this off-grid. So now I'll be able to run this pool pump. Before, if I ran that, I couldn't really run maybe a mini split, but I couldn't run a 3.5 ton or 4 ton. But now with this, if this will keep the pool heated during the day and catch me back up from overnight dropping, this will work out perfect, because then I could actually run the 3.5 ton in that. That uses around 26. They actually use around about the same amount of power. So together it'd be like 6,000 watts. So, and I could still run the pool pump, the pool heater, and the 3.5 ton, and one of these mini splits downstairs, and it's perfect. So, works great. That's pretty much it. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.